real quick. Let me show you guys a little something here. How they're trying to hide the things that they've done. I'm telling you, it's all over the place. New Age Bible versions. Check this art out. You know, they're going to talk about there's a people that have been crying. There's a people that have been put away at the bottom. There's a people that have been destroyed, right? And but it's all been at the hands of Psalms 83, been at the hands of the churches, been in hand, you know, all the people who have been Confederate, and now everyone wants to play the dumb role, you know. But let's see who's been crying for the last few thousand years, and especially these last 400 plus years. See right here, talking about the King James Version, Revelation 21:4. God shall wipe away all tears. Who's been crying? Who's been destroyed by the churches? Thinking about the Inquisition and how they were just, you know, destroying our people, making our people tell on each other. You know, just if you tried to follow the laws and statutes and commandments the Most High gave you, you were killed. You were, you know, taken away from your family, everything taken away from you. You were burned at the stake. You were tortured. We've been crying this whole time. But what do they do with these new virgins? He shall wipe away. Wipe away what? You see what I'm saying? See, they're talking about the tears that we've been crying. They just took that out. Again, showing you how, you know, all the things that they've been trying to manipulate with scriptures. And that's what I was going to say. Well, there's only 66 books. Okay? Says who? Says the people that are constantly trying to hide information, trying to hide the things that they've done. And other books, it goes into even more detail of the things that they were going to do. So as you can see right here, in the King James Version, God shall wipe away all tears. He's wiping away the tears of his people. His people have been getting absolutely destroyed by Psalms 83, by the people at the top and the people who have made a covenant with them. No one, you know, everyone, it's like a running joke, I'm sure, behind our backs. Everyone already knows the truth and you know, has been watching us pretty much just run around like dogs, you know, chasing their tails. You know, we've been in a dead state and they've been able to enjoy themselves. But this day of reckoning is here. And like the Most High says, he's going to wipe away all tears. He's going to restore his people. And that's exactly what is going on right now. We've been crying, but now we're being restored. And now you and the people like you and the people who have made covenants with you are about to shed those tears. Shalom.